Example is finding the missing. Okay, suppose y varies jointly as x and z. Okay, but however, we have y equals 32 when x is equal to 8 and z is equal to 2. We want to find the y when x is 15 and z is 6. So may nawawalang second y. For us to do that, let us use the first given here. Okay, meron tayo dito mga given na we can say that the y, no? Let me minimize this one. Okay, as part of our solution, we can say that the y varies jointly as x and z. So, meron tayong y dito. We all know that the varies jointly is equal to k, that is a constant, as x and z. And this is going to be the formula representation na gagamitin natin. Okay? Varies jointly is k as x and z. So, that is the formula representation. We have k, y equals k times x times z. Okay? That is the formula. And the first y, we all know that the given first y is 32. So, we can write the 32 here. Okay? Itong 32, sinulat ko dito sa y. Pinalitan ko lang yung first y. That is equal to k. Because we want to find the k, substitute natin yung mga given na x. Meron pa tayong x dito na 8. At meron tayong isa pang given na variable, which is yung z na 2. Okay? So, yung first part muna. Simplifying this one, 8 times 2 gives us 16, right? And then k is written here, then 32 is on the left-hand side of our equation. And for us to find the k, divide both sides by 16. And dividing both sides by 16 gives us k equals 32 divided by 16. That is going to be 2. And finally, we have the k value. First step is to find the k. Second step is to apply the k. So since we all know na ang formula natin is y equals k x z, pwede natin itong palitan ng 2. This time, we change the color. So yung k natin magiging 2 na. Okay? And then we have x, we have z. This is the new value of our xz. This time, hanapin natin yung pangalawang y. Okay? Para mahanap natin yung pangalawang y, we can use this additional information. The first x is, we have 2 here, 15. Okay? Again, yung first x natin is 15. And yung z natin is 6. We can write here as 6. Okay? So, na-substitute natin or na-plug in na natin yung pangalawang mga x and z natin. Then, multiplying this one, 2 times 15, that is going to be, I think, 30 times 6. 30 times 6 will gives us 180. And finally, the goal of finding the second y is 180 by simplifying these 3 numbers. Okay? This is gonna be your final answer if you want to find this the correct process for this example number 2. Okay? Ang unang step, ulitin ko no, find the k. Use the first value, and after that, use the original equation. Palitan nyo lang yung k is 1 at hanapin nyo na yung y. Okay? So that is the second example. And for me to try, if you really understand this particular part, kindly find the missing for this particular given. Okay? This time, I use A, B, and C to represent. So ito lang yung hahanapin niyo, yung pangalawang A. Okay? Sige. Example number